Hello guys, welcome to the C programming tutorial. In today's lecture we will perform a simple operations using function. We will add two number using function. So first of all I will declare some variable int a and b and clear the screen and ask the user to enter any two number. Enter any two number scanf %d comma address a comma address b. Now here we will suppose we will make a function of type a and b and store it in a value c. So here we will declare one more variable c. Now we have to create a function, and for creating function we must have to forward declaration. So our function will be of return type int and function name will be add, and it will take two arguments. First argument is int a and second argument is int b. Now this is known as forward declaration, means we are saying compiler that we are going to use this function in our program. And now here we can give the definition of our function. So int add int a comma int b. Now suppose here int c and just perform the addition operator and printf sum is %d comma and print the value of c, and also you can print this value here because in our C we have already stored this value by returning this statement, and here return what c. Now it's fine, and here is our function definition. This is our function definition, and above this is our function call, and try to run the code. Int any two number 6 and 7, sum is 13. Now understand from the start. Here what we have done, we have forward declared the function, and now as we started coding, when we entered two number from the user, that is a and b, and here call the function. When I call the function, the control from the program jump to that function, means at the int add int a int b. This is the signature of function and is of the same signature we have called. If I will change the function name, then there will be error in the program. So we must take care of the signature of the functions we are using in our program. And here this is a duplicate variable, means we can say just copy variable, means here we can also write instead of a b q and w, suppose, and add q and w. It will give the same result because here we have passed a as argument, and here in q the value of a will be copied, and in w the value of b will be copied, and in returning we can use any variable name and return. And suppose here we eliminate this return statement, then compile, what will be the error? There is no error, but at run time it will print right, no, it's printing wrong answer. So we have to store the return type into a variable of the same type. So now next test it for subtraction operator. Subtract here and enter two number, that is 5 and sum is 5. Sorry, subtract will be 5, but I forget to change this. And also we can multiply, add, subtract, and how many numbers we can pass as argument. So this is a very simple function creating program. In next lecture we will see some more functions and we will create some more complex functions. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe.